is smiling and he is sad. You are coming. Who would you prefer to talk? किसके साथ तुम बात करना पसंद करोगे? Right? And why? Because you get that welcoming sign. राइट एक वेलकम साइन होता है ना, एक वेलकमिंग बोले तो स्वागत वाला साइन कि यू आर वेलकमिंग समवन टू टॉक, राइट? अगर मैं यहाँ पे आके एकदम खड़ूस टीचर की तरह बिहेव करूंगा, यू वोंट स्माइल एट ऑल, राइट? उस दिन पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में इफ आई वुड नॉट स्टार्ट विद हाउ आर यू, आपका जो एक प्रेशर लेवल था दिमाग में ना, I have gone through that and I'm very much aware of these all things. I have very much gone through कि जब ऐसा एक moment आता है, when I started giving training to in abroad countries, तो जो मेरा सबसे फर्स्ट ट्रेनी था, that was from Netherlands, and to train him I had to appear in interview. Of course मेरा एक इंटरव्यू हुआ कि how will I train, how is my communication is, how is my understandability is and everything. तो and उसका नाम था पीटर वैन हैम. he was my first student who I trained from Netherlands. तो मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ था and I can't tell you the level of pressure I was in. But जो मेरी इंटरव्यूअर थी, that was lady, she started, hey Himanshu, how are you man? These some jargon, some informal words make you feel really comfortable. How are you man? I was like, her name was Julie. I said, hey Julie, I'm fine. What about you? Communication started very friendly. And then she started asking, okay, what's your qualification? What's your academic qualification? How far have you been with Accenture? I'm working with Accenture. How far have you been with Accenture? What all have you done? How many people have you trained in India? Because earlier I was training people in India only, all over the India. But that was my first training from Netherlands. And that's how discussion started. And I felt so comfortable कि जो चीजें मैं शायद उससे ना बोल पाता या शायद मेरा impression उतना ना पड़ता, वो पड़ा. And she was damn happy. I'm not, of course, boosting myself, but I'm telling you, she was damn happy and she qualified me. Okay, yeah, you're a good trainer. Of course, when you train someone, केवल बोलना ही नहीं होता है, you also need to have knowledge, right? So from all the points, she qualified me. And then I kept on training. So I trained almost 206 countries. The very next trainee was from America. And then, of course, these European countries, you must have heard, Ireland. Right? Continent of UKI, and then Sweden, Switzerland, a very beautiful country, Poland, Singapore. There was one person from Sri Lanka as well. Sri Lankans speak Hindi. उससे मेरी कभी-कभी हिंदी में बात होती थी.
Students come to learn. Are you?
Yeah, not. They don't come in India. They don't come in India. By laptop, by conference call. I also didn't get chance to go there. मेरा बनने वाला था मार्च लास्ट में, but फिर ये कोरोना आ गया. So I was about to go to Poland. मेरा जो last trainee है Mikkel Kesik, he's from Poland. Let me ping him if I can get him on video call and see you guys. Make you guys talk to him. तो उसको ट्रेनिंग देने जाना था. But then Corona आ गया, so I had to train him again from the conference call only. Hey Mikhail, let me excuse me guys just for a while. I want you guys to talk to him if possible. Oh, there's no data. Are you free for 15 minutes?
Would you like to have water?
I would, yes. That's my weakness. Alright, so that's how things happen. Huh? Let's come to the topic. We'll talk about it later. So that's how my conversation started and I gave an interview and all. So that's how things go. उस दिन भी जब मैं आपका पर्सनल and this is what I learned from people and is what I'm imposing on you guys. So जब मैं पर्सनल इंटरव्यू की क्लासेस ले रहा था, I'm sorry. Okay. So when I was taking your personal interview, I knew that you guys were in tremendous pressure. कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, how would he talk, how would he judge me, I want to give my lasting impression, I want to give my first impression, something like that you all were thinking, right? I know, I have gone through this all. So that is how your facial expression works, right? कि आप उससे first and foremost tip of personality, not only in the class, all over the places, everywhere you are standing, everywhere you are talking, have a smile on your face. Okay, but don't have a smile on face when somebody is in real pain. Yeah, he's dead. Not like this. Yeah, not like this. So always have a smile on your face. It works like a remedy to someone else. Even if somebody is in pain and see you have smile on your face, that, and pain, I'm not talking about physical pain, people also have mental pain, right? Heartbreaks, breakups. Okay, so then they get to talk to you, or they get that courage to talk to you. First thing, have a smile on your face. Now, जब भी आप किसी से बात करें, whenever you're talking to someone, okay, let's say I'm talking to Suyash in 101 and Suyash is telling me something. Never talk like this. Okay, fair. Don't do like this. When Suyash is talking or when you are talking, the other thing, we started with smile. Now Suyash came to me to share his thoughts, his pain, or whatever he wants to talk to me. And if I'm standing like this, भले ही सुयश उस चीज को नोटिस ना करें, but if somebody else is looking at you, would have one impression कि आप सुयश की बातों में interested नहीं हैं. This shows a very ignorance behavior and lack of interest in what people are talking. ठीक है? So never ever fold your hands like this जब भी आप किसी से बात करो. अब आप ये मत बोलना सर ठंड है तो ऐसे खड़े होने में थोड़ी हिम्मत आती है मुझे, मतलब ऐसे करने में, यूं करने में थोड़ी सी वो होता है, तो दैट इज फाइन, दैट वर्क्स. इसीलिए आई सेड इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग, बी प्रैक्टिकल, राइट? दैट्स वेरी फाइन. आप भी ऐसे कर लो, यश भी ऐसे कर ले, ठंड लग रही है यार, है ना, समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा in a very light weather you are standing, never stand like this. अब क्वेश्चन आता है खड़े कैसे होना है, right? Never stand like this. People have a habit of standing like this. I also stand like this. That's a very cool style you can stand like, है ना? But never stand like this as well. Never stand like this. अच्छा, इसमें तो हाथ नहीं जा रहा है, पॉकेट्स में हाथ मत डालो. Never put your hands in pocket. Second tip. First was have a smile. Second tip, never ever bind your hands while having a conversation. आपने बांध लिए, अगर इस पॉकेट में डाला तो बंधे हुए हाथ हैं, इस पॉकेट में डाला तो बंधे हुए हाथ हैं. अगर आपने अपने हाथों को बांध के रखा है, that's a lack of interest. कि आप सामने वाले की बात में इंटरेस्टेड हो ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है? सो नेवर एवर डू दैट. अब हाउ टू स्टैंड? आई एम टॉकिंग टू सुयश, इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. ओके, यू वांट टू फील कंफर्टेबल, स्टैंड लाइक दिस, चेंज पोजीशंस. या अब डोंट बाइंड योर हैंड लाइक दिस बट समथिंग लाइक दिस. या यू ऑल्सो मूव हैंड्स, और आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे हाथ, यहाँ पे हाथ, यहाँ पे हाथ, बहुत ही नॉर्मल होता है यहाँ पे हाथ करना, है ना? इट्स वेरी फाइन. कुछ भी करो बट अपने हाथों को बांधो मत. ठीक है? और अच्छा, उसके पहले थोड़ा सा मैंने एक मिस करा है. आई स्माइल्ड, सुयश केम टू मी, राइट? नाउ हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट वेल डिस्कशन? सुयश आते यार हिमांशु मेरे साथ ये, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने मुझे चीट कर दिया, ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा शुरू नहीं कर देगा ना सुयश, राइट? देयर हैज टू बी अ वेरी वेलकमिंग डिस्कशन आल्सो, अ वेरी इनफॉर्मल वाला वेलकमिंग डिस्कशन. इट कुड आल्सो बी फॉर्मल इफ वो जो फ्रेंड है आपका बहुत ही दूर का फ्रेंड है, बहुत दिनों बाद मिले हो, तो आप थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेलिटी शो करने की कोशिश करते हो. बट जब आपके साथ कोई आके बात करता है ना, ऑलवेज डू आई हैव माई सैनिटाइजर, बिकॉज आई जस्ट पुट माई हैंड ऑन माई नोज. Always whenever someone comes to you and talk, put your hesitation out of your body, right? If Suyash is not feeling comfortable, make him feel comfortable. Hey Suyash, how are you, man? You see my hand here? I'm not tickling him, huh? I'm patting. And patting, boys can pat a boy from here, this portion, stand like this. You can pat a boy from here till here, ठीक है? But it's always preferred that अगर आप किसी लड़की को हक कर रहे हैं, never ever pat here and here. You only pat here. ठीक है? Of course, अभी तक शायद आप लोग उस सिचुएशन पे नहीं पहुंचे होंगे, but that's how things go. It's a rule. It's a rule. You cannot pat a girl here, and you cannot pat a girl here. So, and to boy, I can pat here, here, here. That's all fine. So how would I meet? Look, I want to show you guys. So like this. Hey Suyash, how are you? Look my feet. Look my this leg. I didn't just come like this. No, that's not needed. You can come. Hey man, how are you doing? One feet is at the same position in a fly position. One leg is flying. Right? One leg is flying and the pressure of my whole body is in another leg which is bent towards Suyash, जो Suyash की तरफ झुकी है. Right? Never ever. Okay. ये भी एक रूल है that you can simply shake hand. Hey man, how are you? And you exchange the words. ठीक है? That's also a rule. But एक warm welcome जो होता है, that gives a feel. मेरा एक ट्रेनी है, फील से याद आया, मेरा एक ट्रेनी है, मैंने न्यू ईयर पे सभी को मैसेज करा. दैट्स व्हाट माय जेस्चर इज. नेवर एवर पुट योरसेल्फ इन ईगो कि उसका मैसेज आया तो मैं करूँ, इस पे आऊंगा मैं. हाँ, मैंने सभी को मैसेज करा, सारे व्हाट्सएप कॉन्टैक्ट्स को, एंड इट टुक 1 आवर. हाँ, उसका मेरे पास मैसेज आया, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर भाई. तो मैंने कहा थैंक्स. तो जब मैंने थैंक्स बोला तो उसने मेरी डीपी देखी. जब उसने डीपी देखी, देन वाज लाइक, आई एम सॉरी सर, आई डेंट रियलाइज इट वॉज यू. बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं तो मुझे लगा कि कोई मेरा दोस्त है. ठीक है, मतलब हिमांशु नाम के कई लोग होंगे. और तो मैंने कहा इट्स ओके मैन, भाई इज अ फील, सर इज नॉट अ फील. सर मेक्स अ बैरियर. इट मेक्स अ बैरियर, राइट? इफ आई एम अ सर, I behave like a sir, I won't talk to him कि यार और तेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, कितनी लड़कियां पटा ली तूने, है ना? Nothing like that. The conversation won't happen. It's like this. Look, you cannot ask these secrets on my behest. मतलब मैंने पूछा तो is like playing, कितनी लड़कियां पटा ली बता दे. Right? तो I replied him कि look, भाई is a feel. So have a feel, forget about sir. So that's how it is. So when you shake hand like this, it's formal. ठीक है? और कभी भी आप जब हैंड शेक करते हो तो हमेशा make sure give a vibe to him, not wife. हाँ, vibe, VIBE. Now vibe कैसे देते हो आप? थोड़ा सा इसको प्रेस करो, यूं हिलाओ हाथ को, राइट? तो जो भी आपके पॉजिटिव वाइब्स होते हैं ना, नेचुरली they get exchanged. Same Suyash will do towards me and same I'll do towards him. That's how handshaking is. But handshaking is altogether a different topic. I'm not gonna extend it now. Okay, so I'll shake hand and I'll look like this. I'll do like this. Hey man, how are you? Is what a warm welcome is. Okay. उसके बाद discussion. हाँ, thank you. So always try and do this with your friends. Yeah. If this is a girl, you need to maintain a distance as per the society. ठीक है? Of course, in a society where I live, we even kiss each other, right? And that kissing is not on cheeks, but kissing is cheeks and cheeks are touching each other, right? My cheek and the other girl's cheek is touching each other, and we are kissing on air, right? There's no girl, otherwise I would have shown you. Okay, so that's how we do. But always hug, because when you hug a person, comes with the feeling. That's what your after smile step comes in picture. ठीक है? Never ever just दूर से hey hello how are you. No, don't do that. Of course, when I say don't do that,